Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to deposit checks using the Bluevine app. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to show you guys a couple of steps on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to open the Bluevine mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, from the home screen menu, you're going to tap deposit checks. Now you're going to need to enter the check amount exactly as it's written. Next is to endorse the back of the check by signing your name and writing "for mobile deposits only at Bluevine." Once you're done with that, use your phone's camera to take a clear photo of the front and the back of the check, and then make sure all four corners are visible and that the image is as sharp as possible. Next is to review the details, make sure everything is correct. Once you've confirmed, just tap submit. Now you gotta wait for confirmation in the app that your deposit was received. Funds usually clear within 1 to 5 business days depending on the check type. Finally, store the paper check in a safe place for at least 2 weeks, and then you can securely destroy it. And that's pretty much it. Your check is successfully deposited into Bluevine. And that's all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you guys in the next one.